to being concise in meetings. Concise, clear, and compelling. Which is to really identify the what you're trying to say, then speak to the so what, the why, and then the now what can you do about it, or what do I expect of you next? And just by using this little checklist, this framework, you're typically going to be able to articulate whatever you're trying to say in a much more concise fashion. What I want you to think about is not giving in to the temptation to repeat yourself. And you're not alone in that department. Most people have been socially trained to just keep repeating themselves until they get some sort of signal or interruption from other people that it's okay to stop talking. And I want you to be the kind of communicator who's so clear on what the bottom line is and what you're saying that you just say it one time. And if anyone needs clarification, they'll ask.